Hello, my name is Sadik Shahadu. Um, I'm just doing this short video to teach you how you can upload photos to Wiki Loves Folklore Contest 2022. Yeah, so if you are totally new to the Wikimedia movement, you first of all need to create an account. You should be able to create it by going to commons.wikipedia.org or just the Dagbani Wikipedia or any other wiki. Once you have an account, you can you know, log into any of the sister projects with that same account. So to be able to upload to Wikimedia Commons, you will need to go to the Wiki Loves Folklore page, and I'm trying to see how I can share my screen. Okay, so there's no share screen here. So you need to we'll share the link to the page or various pages. I thought I was going to have the option to share my screen. I'm still looking for that feature. Unfortunately, I cannot find that here. But um, yeah, so basically, you need to have an account with Wikimedia. That is any sister project. You can just go and create your account. And to be able to participate, you need to log in with that same account. Um, yeah, so once you do that, you should be able to upload your pictures. One important thing you should know is that you cannot upload photos that are on social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp. You can only upload original photos that you have taken by yourself or you have the permission to upload them. So you cannot, I repeat, you cannot use somebody else's picture because of copyright. And once you upload your photos to Wikimedia Commons or Wikilabs Folklore 2022, it means you have given anyone the permission to be able to use the picture or redistribute it under Creative Commons licenses, which is CC by SA attribution, share alike. So it is very important for you to follow the strict rules on the contest page, which would be shared in our communities. So please go through the page carefully and then watch how you can participate. You can win local prizes, you can win international prizes as well. So um, by 12 p.m., that is 1st of February, Wiki Laughs Folklore Contest will begin. So I wish you all the best and good luck. Thank you. Bye.